Today's our meditation. Let's go on to read the Acts of the Apostle, second chapter, from verses 1 to 10. And when the day of Pentecost was fully come, and with one accord in one place, and suddenly there came a sound from heaven as of a rushing mighty wind, and it filled all the house where they were sitting. And there appeared unto them cloven tongues like as a fire, and it sat upon each of them. And they were all filled with the Holy Ghost, and began to speak with other tongues, as the Spirit gave them utterance. And they were dwelling at Jerusalem, Jews, devout men, out of every nation under heaven. And when this was noised abroad, the multitude came together, and were confounded, because they were men heard them speak in the
Pray.